today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Shortmax app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Shortmax app, or just click on search. Then here search for Shortmax. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click here on OK. Then you go down. Just click here on storage. Then come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store. Click on it here. Then here you search for Shortmax. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates. Click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.